Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on the sequence with duplicates so you don't waste time. Open the project panel and switch to list view, then sort by name or media, start to cluster copies. Once done, click into the timeline and select the first group of suspected duplicates. Scrub to confirm content and in /out points match. Make sure to use the program monitor to verify visual/audio identity, because this initial check prevents accidental deletions of unique clips. Now isolate the confirmed duplicates so you can act decisively. Tag matching clips with a distinct label color or add a marker and use metadata filters to display only those tags. If audio is linked, unlink it to avoid removing needed sound. You can toggle link selection to control both tracks. Once tagged, move confirmed duplicate clips into a dedicated bin. This keeps the project organized and creates a safe staging area before final removal. Finally, remove duplicates from the timeline and project with care. Select clips in the duplicate bin or timeline and use remove or ripple delete depending on whether you want gaps closed. Once removed, scrub the sequence and render to confirm all edits play correctly, then empty the bin to free space. If something goes wrong, immediately use undo, revert to a saved version, or restore an autosave. This single recovery step is your safety net when deletion doesn't go as planned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.